Come on, Ghost Rider!
Yeah!
You're way down.
Left, you do the whole play.
No, this is
I don't know. Maybe.
We gotta finish 6.
What are those stupid films? Like,
Caterpillar.
oh, wow, they make some.
Yeah, what you do is you burn them.
How many pitches do you have to finish?
They go.
Yeah,
That's
like, within 30 seconds.
6 throughout the whole thing. So you finish 6 in the first thing, you clear.
You go.
You don't get
Yeah.
We have them. Somebody else then. Oh, Jesus. We got a lot. We can probably take a lot.
Nice.
No, tomorrow you bring your marshals with you.
You got your own cups?
The Roadrunner.
You get a team ball. Can you let him?
Went straight.
I like the food. That's cool.
Got someone hold this for me?
Timo, what's the rule?
Yeah, that golf
He
out.
got his own club.
Monday. Yeah, it's the only bad play.
Not all club.
You can load it down.
What number you got? What number you got?
You're gonna have to stand to your left there, kid.
I got it.
Sorry.
I don't have it. Oh, cool. What iron are we using? This thing is really. This thing's 28 ounces. It has the marker on it. How cool is that?
Ready? Cover them up. Figures this, Billy.
Hey, Walker!
Did you walk him down?
Goddamn lefties. Wait. I put 2 stickers up.
I got 2.
Walker, that's 3?
Yeah. You got some on first. Let's go, Billy. Pull it up for you first. Are we putting stickers up when we get the chair? That's what we're talking about.
That's what it is.
Hey, you got your
Really,
second
2.
picture. You didn't finish it yet. What shit it go?
I don't know, what was he gonna do?
No, you have to finish it.
They're right on the table.
So me, I was like, come on.
Then you forget about it. You ain't doing it.
Let's go.
This is our second picture. Right.
Yeah. How many stickers do you have up? Oh, I have 1 sticker up. Okay. Oh, so, all right, once you complete, then you pick it up.
Okay, I was just checking.
Yeah, Howie. We did it right. After you complete the picture, you put the sticker on.
Yeah, because,
Well, same as you, kid.
Oh, Billy, whoa! He touched it. Did he touch it?
Push that a little more. There you go.
Don't let
That'll stay.
It's gonna stick to the tee.
No, that's good.
You want to do marshmallow?
Now, let's heat it up.
You know.
He's got it.
Oh!
There was contact.
Getting wetter.
Layup game.
Close. Getting wetter.
He already delayed the game when he got his own club.
Because he's a lefty.
Oh!
Foul ball! Foul ball! You gotta keep it to the left of the tree.
It's outside that tree.
Outside of the tree.
just go parallel to this. Go parallel to it.
Outside
So
the
right
tree. You're right. You're absolutely right.
Here come the excuses. They're all like
Out of bounds?
But you're using special club. He's in his own club. Out of question. This is like asshole.
He also got time and a half in school and then spelling wave. No scantrons.
That's at least get the fucking drunken one. You have to be in the, You have to be in the, get the drunken one. What if he hits the
I'm gonna hit my marshmallow straight up in there and then eat it. Swing as hard as you can. Oh! Cut it down.
That's not a gold medal for you two.
Just along
The biggest part.
That thing literally split right in half.
Where's Art? Oh, there
Oh,
he
it
is.
was over here.
Get the hell out of here. There was 2 parts. One there and one there.
No, my first one was there.
Oh, your first one.
The first one I drove.
I wasn't here for that on Sunday.
Oh, yeah, me neither. Sorry, missed that.
Right hand to your right, a little kid. Thank you. Billy, straighten that out. You got the back. Hey, what was Billy's first one? All right. 90? Oh, okay.
We'll be done.
That's very good.
We'll be done.
Who's worried about 90?
We're going to have most beers. Do we get
Billy's
I'm going to be throwing up.
We'll just be athletic.
Let's go, Billy. What, one of? Oh, you got more than that. Practice. Come on, what's going on? Baby. That's not bad.
Stop.